So how do you increase the size of text in a Safari on iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss videos like this one. Okay, on your Safari web page, just locate the URL bar at the top so you can see this is like the full web page. And then next to it, we have like this rectangle button with like lines or whatever. You click on it, and below you can see we have the A, like small a and like large A buttons, and you need to tap on the large A a few times to bump up the sizing of the text, right? So you get to see like how much you do it. You can obviously decide however you want. You can zoom it in like that, and it will just increase the text size of the Safari web page. Naturally, you can still like zoom in with your fingers to also like bump it up, so you can do that temporarily. Or you also have the ability to enable the reader mode. So you can tap on the same button here, like the rectangle and lines, tap on the three dots, and you have the ability to go to the reader mode, right? So you have the ability to go there, and in the reader mode it kind of looks a bit different because the text gets selected without like the layout of the original web page. And in there you can also manage the size of the text and also how well you can read it. So that's just how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials as well. So stay tuned and definitely subscribe so you don't miss those videos.